Hello and welcome everyone. Bonjour et bienvenue tout le monde. Today we are going to learn different seasons in French and also how to express weather. So we will be able to answer to the question, what is the weather like or how is the weather? So enjoy the video. Happy learning. Thank you. Merci. So to start with, the seasons are called in French les saisons. Les saisons. So the first season is spring. We call it le printemps. Le printemps. Next is summer, which is l'été. L'été. Next is autumn. In French we call it l'automne. L'automne. Next is winter. We call it l'hiver. L'hiver. So these were 4 seasons. Now moving on to how to express weather. The question for asking weather is quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Which means how is the weather or what is the weather like? The first way to answer to this question is we use the expression il fait and we add an adjective to it. For example, il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. This is to say the weather is hot or it is hot. For example, we can say en été, il fait chaud. En été, il fait chaud. Which means in summer it is hot or in summer the weather is hot. Another one, il fait beau. Il fait beau, which means the weather is nice. So we can say something like au printemps, il fait beau. Au printemps, il fait beau. In spring, the weather is nice. Next one, il fait gris. Il fait gris. So we can say like, the weather is grey. We can make a sentence, en automne, il fait gris. En automne, il fait gris. In autumn, the weather is grey. Next one, il fait froid. Il fait froid, which is the weather is cold or just simply it's cold. So of course, we can make sentence like en hiver, il fait froid. En hiver, il fait froid, which means in winter it is cold. There are a few more examples. To start with, il fait frais. Il fait frais, which means it is cool or it's fresh. Next, il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais, which means it's a bad weather. Next one, il fait nuageux. Il fait nuageux, which means it's cloudy. Next one, il fait orageux. Il fait orageux, which means it's stormy. Next one, il fait humide. Il fait humide, which means it's humid. Another way to tell the weather is by using the expression il y a. So, let's see a few examples with il y a. The first one, to say it's foggy, we say il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. Next one, it's windy, we would say il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. To say it's sunny, we would say il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. If you have to say there's thunder, il y a du tonnerre. Il y a du tonnerre. When it's hail, so we say il y a de la grêle. Il y a de la grêle. It's lightning, so we say il y a des éclairs. Il y a des éclairs. To say there are showers, we would say il y a des averses. Il y a des averses. Another way is by using different verbs. For example, if we have to say it's snowing, so the verb for us is neiger, and we say it il neige. Il neige. Similarly, if we have to say it's raining, we use the verb pleuvoir, and we say it il pleut. Il pleut. There's another one. We can use something like it's freezing, so the verb is geler, so we say il gèle. Il gèle. If we say it's pouring, we would say il pleut d'averse. Il pleut d'averse. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. Merci beaucoup pour votre attention. You can always like, subscribe, comment and share our videos. Hope you had fun learning with En route to French.